Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Nvidia control panel not showing any display options on your laptop. On many laptops, both Intel and Nvidia graphics are installed. If your laptop is using Intel instead of Nvidia, the display options disappear. To fix this, right click on your desktop, click Nvidia control panel. If it opens with no display option, click desktop. On the top, enable display GPU activity icon in notification area. Now check the icon if it shows how app using the Nvidia GPU. If nothing is using it, that's why the settings are missing. Sometimes missing display setting often means a broken or outdated drive. Open the Nvidia app or GeForce Experience. Go to the drivers. Check for update, then download the latest one. If that doesn't work, click reinstall. Choose a performance, a clean install. This resets your Nvidia drive and usually brings back the display menu. Sometimes the Nvidia service stop running in the background. For that, press Windows plus R, type services.msc and hit enter. Here you have to find Nvidia display container ls, Nvidia local service container. Right click each one and select restart. This reopens the control panel. If you are using an external monitor, make sure it's plugged in into the GPU port, not the motherboard port. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.